Hey, what's up mga pre? Another day at panibago na naman tayong update dito sa ROM Golden Age of Cross, guys, no? So, yung ramp or yung kanilang token dito na ChromeX is now live, yung kanilang minting. So, pag-uusapan natin yan, guys. And then, pag-uusapan din natin ngayon kung paano tayo makakapag-connect nung ating mga wallet dito sa kanilang game para makapag-mint na tayo nung kanilang token dito, guys. At ano nga ba yung mga requirements na kailangan nating gawin para maging eligible tayo na makapag-mint dito. So guys, meron silang announcement dito, guys, no? Following the recent token listing in CrossX app, we are excited to announce that the Cross Ramp service where you can finally convert your valuable in-game assets into a official token will officially open on February. Nung February 12 pa lang yan, guys, ay nag-open na sila. And then ngayon is February 14 na. Happy Puso Day sa lahat, guys, no? So, you will be able to freely mint and exchange the core endgame currency na yung kanilang T-Daya into the official token na ChromeX, guys, na merong ratio na 1:1 sa pamamagitan dun sa kanilang cross ramp. So, we are pleased to provide the details of this update which mark the first major step onto our newly implemented new tokens. So guys, cross ramp minting currency or yung kanilang T-Daya. The currency used for minting is T-Daya. Dayas purchased from the shop are converted into T-Daya through activities such daw dito sa kanilang auctions, transactions, and guild distribution. Following the discontinuation of Daya sales in the shop, the T-Daya will be distributed as a reward for each world ranking season nga daw, guys. So guys, meron din sila ditong mga requirements bago nga tayo makapag-mint at makapag-exchange nung ating T-Daya dito. So yung ating karakter daw ay kailangan level 40 or higher para makapag-enter tayo dun sa kanilang endgame ramp menu. So mamaya, guys, ipapakita din natin yan, no? So to use the minting function, you must be level 65 or higher nga daw dito. And then meron tayong combat power of 35,000 or more. Mas maganda, mataas, guys, no? It may take few minutes to level and combat power na mag-reflect daw dito sa kanilang system. So kung hindi nyo nakikita, guys, and then na-meet nyo na yung requirements, ay kailangan nyo lang is mag-refresh. Pumunta kayo dun sa kanilang login page, guys, and pasok kayo ulit sa inyong game para makita nyo na at ma-access ninyo yung features na mag-mint nung kanilang token. So, the exchange function, ChromeX to T-Daya, is available nga daw yan to all characters at level 40 or mas maganda higher pa dyan, guys, no? So, makakapag-mint daw tayo dito ng 200,000 tokens per day. There is no limit for exchanging ChromeX back to Daya dito. So, maganda-ganda to. And then, guys, dahil nga na meron silang cross ramp update, ay nagkaroon po sila ng celebration. So, yung kanilang 10% minting fee will be reduced as 0% as of now, guys, until nga yan March 31, 2026. And then yung kanilang 10% fee ay mag-a-apply sa kanilang magmi-mint ngayong April 1. Sa lahat ng magmi-minting po, guys, by April 1 ay magkakaroon na po yan ng fee. And then yung fee, guys, will be used as a financial resources for the reward pool. So guys, punta lang daw po tayo dito sa kanilang game. So click natin itong may 4 na dot dito, guys. And then dito natin makikita sa baba yung ramp. So, click natin yung ramp, guys. And the wallet must be connected to use the function nga daw dito. So, kailangan natin i-click itong connect wallet. And guys, magkakaroon po yan ng QR code po dyan para ma-connect. So, syempre, kailangan natin nung ating cross wallet dun sa ating mobile phone, yung mga na-download po natin, kagaya nito, guys, no? So, tayo naman ay nakapag-download na nito. So, pwede ko yung i-scan yung QR code na nandyan sa ating screen, guys. Scan lang po natin yan. And then, okay, magko-connect po yan, guys. Magkakaroon po yan ng connect. And approve lang po natin. Once connected, you'll be able to mint and exchange your token. So, sa ngayon guys, wala naman tayong token, no? So, ayan, no? Only characters of level 65 or higher with at least 25,000 combat power can mint nga daw dito. So, you can mint up to 100,000 times per day. There is no fee minting Chrome X token during the event. So, hanggang March 31 guys, ay wala po tayong fee dyan guys, no? So, click naman natin ito para makita natin kung saan tayo guys, no? Sabi nila dito, once you have completed a transaction, you will not. So, hindi na po daw natin ito ma-change kung ano yung na-connect natin na wallet dito. So, minting tokens, exchanging tokens, please keep this caution in mind, and by confirming this transaction, you will have agreed to not being able to change the connected wallet nga daw dyan guys. So, titingnan natin dito sa loob nila. And, okay, confirm. So, guys, cross token. Ito na po, guys, no, disassemble. Pwede tayong mag-Chrome X to T-Daya. So, click natin itong connect wallet natin. And then, magkakaroon yan ulit nung kanilang QR code. So, pwede nating i-scan yan, guys, no? Scan natin. And then, scan. Okay, magkakaroon po yan ng confirmation dun sa ating wallet guys dito. So ayan guys, oh, disassemble, pwede daw tayong mag-disassemble po dito. So I think merong assemble at disassemble dito pag once na reach na natin yung ating level po dito, no? So notice that once you have completed a minting, so dito guys, when you click mint exchange button on ramp menu, a pop-up will appear where you can select either minting, assemble or disassemble. So, kung hindi pa nga daw yan guys, kung hindi pa daw yan na-meet natin yung ating level 65 or higher and then at least 25,000 combat power, ay hindi po daw ma-open yung ating disassemble at assemble. So, sa ngayon, assemble pa yung nandito guys, hindi pa na-click or hindi pa natin nakikita yung assemble mismo. So, ganun lang kadali guys, no? Yun lang yung mga gagawin natin. So, madali na lang tayo makapaglabas dito sa kanilang endgame ng T-Daya patungo sa Chrome X token. So, yun lang naman yung ating panibagong update patungkol dito sa ROM Golden Age of Cross, guys. So, bago natin tatapusin ang video na to, kung bago ka lang dito sa ating YouTube channel, ay huwag kalimutang mag-click subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-update at ma-aware ka sa mga panibago nating i-upload na video. So, dyan na muna kayo guys. Ingat tayong lahat and bye-bye!